Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of Industrial Automation Engineering 1A class, allow me to extend a warm welcome to you. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Aka Febrian Harasta, and I am delighted to be here today to talk to you about process of using a voltmeter. I am delighted to be here today to talk to you about process of using a voltmeter. The purposes of this presentation are explain about and how to read and process how to use a voltmeter. My presentation is divided into 8 parts. I will begin with the illustration of voltmeter, then I will look at definition of voltmeter, then I will look at type of voltmeter, then I will look at how to read a voltmeter, then I will look at function of voltmeter, and finally, I will look at how to use the voltmeter. Okay, Miss. First, let me let me begin by explaining the illustration of the voltmeter. I would like to illustrate this point by showing you a voltmeter image. Okay, this is a voltmeter image. This is a picture of the voltmeter. Okay, the part of voltmeter, the red and black sticker is the call it probe. There are rotating coil available at inside voltmeter, and the last is measurement scale. Okay, Miss. Now let's turn to definition of voltmeter. What is the definition of voltmeter? Voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Okay, now let's turn to the type of voltmeter. Based on the type of voltmeter, divided into two. There are analog voltmeter. Analog voltmeter is a voltmeter that displays the result of voltage measurement through an indicator needle. The second, digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeter is the voltmeter that displays the result of voltage measurement digitally. Okay, now let's turn to type of voltmeter based the construction. Type of voltmeter based the construction, there are moving iron voltmeter, rectifier voltmeter, permanent magnet moving coil voltmeter or PMMC, electrodynamometer voltmeter, and amplifier voltmeter. So there are 5-point voltmeter, 5-point type of voltmeter based the construction. Okay, now let's turn to the how to read the voltmeter. The way to read an analog voltmeter and digital voltmeter is quite different. The digital voltmeter will immediately shows number of value when used. Meanwhile, an analog voltmeter uses a needle. Like this image is analog voltmeter. Okay, next. Okay, now let's turn into a function voltmeter. The function of voltmeter is measuring electric current, inspecting electric power, measuring AC voltage and DC voltage, measuring magnetic induction, and measuring electrostatic potential. Okay, now let's turn into how to use voltmeter. The first point is insert the probe into the voltmeter. The second point is set the voltmeter selector switch to the highest value DC volt position available. Third point, touch the red test probe to the positive side of a battery and the black test probe to the negative side of the same battery. Fourth point, reverse the test probe connection to the battery if the voltmeter's indication is negative. The fifth point, if there is manual running voltmeter, move the selector switch to the next lower DC voltage range setting and reconnect to the battery. And the last voltmeter ready to be last point, the voltmeter is ready to be used to be for use. Okay, now let's turn to into closing. But before closing, I would like to conclude by voltmeter. Voltmeter is an electrical equipment used to measure electric potential difference. There are two types of voltmeter. There are analog voltmeter and digital voltmeter. Okay, Miss. Thank you for the mysterious attention and thank you for the listening, Miss. That's all from me. Forgive me if I do a mistake during I make this video and I make this video's presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.